Curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping it comfortable distance. Up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception.
Nagigilip ka?
Happy birthday! Sa'yo ko mga birthday! Happy birthday! Nice done! Happy birthday to you! Sana pakababae ka na. Galing my love! Happy birthday! Galing mo sumayaw! Sana maka-explain ka pa. And then happy birthday! Happy birthday mo! Yun lang! Happy birthday, Bangkok! Nice na! Nakalimutan ang iyong sayaw. Happy birthday! Hello, happy birthday! Ang galing ko palang sumayaw. Parang sa Jenny!
Hindi po, may... Ito na! Ay, malap na. Ito naman. Yan na! Ayun na, waka-waka na. DJ, yung countdown ko. Ayan, dahil din sa birthday mo, meron na baog dito. Ito na yung baog. Okay, happy birthday niya. Sabay-sabay na.
Kaya, ano ba? Mahal ka. Mahal ka.
Eh, mga na. Oh.
Hi, Granny. Happy birthday. Ganda, Granny. Hi, Granny. Happy birthday.
In my heart, when the last teardrop falls. Ooh, yeah. So now I'm alone, and life keeps moving on, but my destination still unknown. Oh yeah. Will there be a time when I fall in love again? Or am I just meant to walk these streets alone? If there was just one wish I could be granted here tonight, it would be to have you right back by my side. When the last teardrop falls, I'll still be holding on to all of our memories and all of what it used to be. When the last teardrop falls, I will stand tall. Know that you're here with me. In my heart, when the last teardrop falls. Ooh, hey, babe. Now it's time for me to find my happiness again. But the emptiness I'm missing will never end, baby. The last teardrop falls, still be holding on. All of our memories, yeah, and all of what used to be between you and me. The last teardrop falls, I will stand tall. Know that you're here with me. In my heart, when the last teardrop falls. Ooh, oh, baby.
Here I am, oh God, I bring this sacrifice, my open heart. I offer up my life, I look to you, Lord, your love that never ends, restores me again. So I lift my eyes to you, Lord. In your strength will I break through, Lord. Touch me now. Let your love fall down on me. I know your love dispels all my fears. Through the storm I will hold on, Lord, and by faith I will walk on, Lord. complete in to you, Lord, your love that never.
Ito na. Ay, malap na. Ada naman. Yan na. Ayun na, makawakan na. Ah, DJ, yung total mo. Ayan, dahil sa birthday mo, meron na baog dito. Ito na yung baog. Okay, happy birthday niya. Sabay na. Ayan, ano ba? Mahal ko, mahal ko. Eh, mga na.
Birthday din. Birthday din.
Oh.